Welcome to Hotstone Media. This is a remake of a previous video with updated video and audio content. This video is intended for general guidance purposes only and should not be considered a definitive or comprehensive instruction manual. If you don't know what you're doing, do not attempt this work. By watching this video, you acknowledge and accept that any damage or injury to yourself, your vehicle, or others is entirely your responsibility. You have been warned.
In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the starter motor for our first generation Mini Cooper. The starter motor is located on the back of the engine under the exhaust manifold. There's usually a heat shield covering the starter motor, but in this case it has already been removed. For safety reasons, you'll have to disconnect one of the battery terminals. Now you need to disconnect both terminals from the starter motor. One is fixed with a 10mm nut and the other one is fixed with a 13mm nut. Now I'm just showing on this new starter motor that we just removed the terminals that goes on the solenoid of the old starter motor. And now we're going to remove the 15mm bolts that holds the starter motor in place. You need a ratchet, an extension with a flexible head, and a 15mm socket. Okay, the bottom bolts are removed. Now we're going to remove the top one. And once you have taken both of the bolts off, you can try and take the starter out. You just have to move it about and pull it back. And he has to come out from that little gap there. And once you've taken it out, you can compare it with the new one to make sure it's the right size. And once you've got the starter motor in place, you've tightened the bolts holding the starter, the 15mm bolts, then you can start putting the terminals back on. Then you can put a heel shield in that covers the starter mower. The heel shield actually slides in onto the starter mower on one end. And the other end is attached with a 10mm bolt. Then you can just reconnect the battery terminal. After that, you should be all done. Make sure the gear stick is in neutral if it's a manual car. Then you can just start the engine.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video enjoyable and the information helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep creating more content like this. Every viewer matters, and I truly appreciate you being here. Thank you.